that I wish to announce is that today the prosecution just filed a manifestation with the proposal on certain pre-trial matters. Apat pong bagay yung hinihingi namin dyan sa manifestation na yan. Nagkaka-file lang po ngayong umaga. I understand I was informed that it was filed this morning. I thought it was filed yesterday. Yung una po is that humingi kami ng agreement na kung pwede during the trial stage, during the presentation of witnesses, direct examination, cross-examination, or redirect examination ay gumamit ng either or both Filipino and English languages. Para mas malinaw, para mas maintindihan, it's a very public proceedings, it's a public trial, and therefore mas maganda kung mas marami nakakaintindi. So it would help kung from time to time ay gumagamit po ng Filipino language na mas simple at mas naintindihan ng mga nanonood at nakikinig. Pangalawa po ay humihingi rin po ang although humihingi po yung prosecution din na yung tungkol sa presentation of or the participation of both public and private prosecutors pagdating sa pag-examine at pag-present ng mga witnesses. So, at least one public prosecutor, one private prosecutor ang pwede na mag-present ng isang witness para mas, kasi meron ng mga bagay, meron ng mga issues, meron ng mga testigo na ang coverage medyo expansive and therefore ay baka hatiin po yung coverage ng testimony by a public prosecutor or a private prosecutor. Pwede rin isa lang na public prosecutor o pwede isa lang na private prosecutor yung mag-present ng witness. Pero at least two, para one public prosecutor and one private prosecutor ang naka-assign sa pag-present ng isang witness.